Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos.
Grow your business with custom AI chatbots. Wish there was a chatbot that could do more than chat? With Chatbot Builder, you can get prospects to book demos, buy products, or hand over contact info. Build AI chatbots that can drive sales, answer questions, and convert leads 24/7. Smash your KPIs with chatbots. Set laser-focused objectives, like booking demos, driving trial signups, and scheduling consultations. Guide conversations toward business outcomes that boost revenue. Stop letting prospects browse and bounce off your website. Smart Human Handoff. Smart Human Handoff. Configure your handoff and escalation process in just a few clicks. Jump in with full conversation context and turn frustration into customer satisfaction. Never lose a hot lead to AI limitations again. Auto-update your training data. Pulls info from your website, support docs, and other content sources. Connect to Notion, Confluence, Salesforce, Google Drive, and more. Auto-sync your training data after updating your blog, pricing, or support docs. Easy, breezy deployment. Deploy chatbots across multiple channels, including WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. Create attributes like email, phone, and company name to organize lead data. Choose the plan that's right for you. Feel secure in your purchase with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. Lifetime access to Chatbot Builder. All future basic plan updates. If plan name changes, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all accompanying updates. No codes, no stacking. Just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade between 3 license tiers while the deal is available. Ability to downgrade between 3 license tiers within 60 days of purchase. Only for new Chatbot Builder users who do not have existing accounts. Do I need coding skills to build a chatbot with Chatbot Builder? Do I need coding skills to build a chatbot with Chatbot Builder? No, Chatbot Builder is designed for users without coding knowledge. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop platform to create AI-powered chatbots. How do I create a new AI agent in Chatbot Builder? How do I create a new AI agent in Chatbot Builder? To create a new AI agent, click the plus symbol icon on your dashboard. This allows you to manage and configure your chatbots. Can I train my chatbot with my own data? Can I train my chatbot with my own data? Yes, you can upload your FAQs, product information, company policies, and other relevant data to train your chatbot to answer questions specific to your business. What integrations are available with Chatbot Builder? What integrations are available with Chatbot Builder? Chatbot Builder offers native integrations with platforms like Calendly, Intercom, Zendesk, and Crisp. Additionally, it supports Zapier for connecting with thousands of other applications. How can I customize my chatbot's appearance? How can I customize my chatbot's appearance? You can customize your chatbot's design by changing colors, fonts, chat bubble styles, and adding your logo to match your website's branding. Is Chatbot Builder multilingual? Is Chatbot Builder multilingual? Yes, Chatbot Builder supports multiple languages, including English, German, Spanish, and French. The chatbot can respond in the same language as the user's query. How do I test my chatbot before going live? How do I test my chatbot before going live? Use the chat preview interface to input test messages and see how your AI agent responds. This allows you to refine responses before deploying to live visitors. What should I do if my chatbot gives incorrect answers? What should I do if my chatbot gives incorrect answers? You can update the response directly in the dashboard. The chatbot learns from the correction and won't make the same mistake again. Is my data secure with Chatbot Builder? Is my data secure with Chatbot Builder? Yes, all conversations are encrypted, and Chatbot Builder is GDPR compliant. Your business information remains private and is not sold to third parties. Chatbot Builder lets you generate quality leads, book more calls, and boost your sales, code-free. Get Chatbot Builder now.